Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 1838 named frequency of the most frequent element. In this problem, the frequency of an element is the number of times it occurs in an array, and we are given an integer array nums and the integer k. In one operation, you can choose an index of the num and increase the element at that index by 1. Now, we have to return the maximum possible frequency of an element after performing at most k operations. Now, in the first example, the array contains 3 elements, which is 1, 2, and 4, and the value of k is 5. So here, increment the first element 3 times and the second element 2 times to make the array 4, 4, and 4. So here, 4 has the frequency of 3, so we have to return 3. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the algorithm, let's take this example. Here, we have 4 elements, 1, 2, 4, and 6, and the value of k is 5. That means we can increase any element 5 times. So here, suppose we can increase this element 1 times here, and these 2 elements 2 times here. So 3 times increasing is possible. And again increase these 2 elements 2 times. So additionally, we increase the value 1 to 4, 2 to 4. So here, to increase 1 to 4, it will take 3 operations. And to increase 2 to 4, it will take 2 operations. So in total, there are 5 operations. And after that, all of these element will become 4. And it is the most frequent element, so the length is 3. So what is the mathematics behind it? Simply, we can solve this problem by using the sliding window technique. For the sliding window, we have 2 pointers, left and right. Suppose the left pointer is here and the right pointer is here. Now, the intuition is we will try to convert all of the element in the window to the right pointer value. So here, the element has 1, 2, and 4 in the window. So we will convert 1 to 4, we will convert 2 to 4, and we will convert 4 to 4. So if we convert all of the element into the 4, then what is the area of this block? So here the area of this block will be 3 multiplied by 4, where 3 is the width and 4 is the height because it is a rectangle. So if we make all of the element in this window with the same number, then we need total 12 unit of, let's say, bricks. Now, what is the additional number of unit we want? So here we can see that we already have 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is 7 unit of bricks, let's say. So additionally, we will need 5 unit of bricks. So here, how this 5 unit of bricks comes, it becomes 12 minus 7. So here, this 12 is the area of the rectangle, and this 7 is the available number of bricks. So here, it is 5. So we will need additionally 5 unit of bricks if we make all of these 3 elements equal to 4. Now, does it equal to k? Yes, it is equal to k. Or we can say that if this division value, suppose it is x, and if the division value less than or equal to k, we can convert all of the element in the window to the right element in the window. It is the basic condition. So again, the condition is the area minus summation of all of the element in the window, which is 1 plus 2 plus 4, should be less than or equal to k. If these conditions becomes true, we can consider this respective window as the consideration. Otherwise, we have to shift the window. So this is the basic equation. Now left and right is presented in the first position. So here the area will be 1 and the sufficient number of bricks to convert this rectangle will be 0. So it is definitely equal to k. So here the length will be 1. That means if we consider this rectangle, the frequency of all of the element is equal to 1. So it is one possible solution. Now let's expand our window to this, which is 1 and 2. So here, yes, it is. So we can make this another rectangle. So here the answer will be 2 at next. Now let's expand this window here and our area will be 4 multiplied by 3 and the additional number of bricks will be minus 7, where 7 will be the addition of 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is 5, which is definitely less than or equal to k. That means we can convert this into, for the window size is 4 and the total number of element will be 6. So here the total number of element will be 24 and we have around 13 amount of element, which is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Now the subtraction value will be 11 and it is greater than k. That means we cannot consider this entire portion, and by that time, if the right position or the right index becomes out of bound, we will simply stop the algorithm. And by utilizing this equation and shifting the window right side, we will get the answer. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named max frequency, which is a vector, an integer k as parameter. And to work efficiently, we will first sort the given vector and take 2 pointers left and right, and 2 variable total and answer will be initialized with 0. Now we are running this loop until the right index is inbound. So here we are increasing the total by the a of right, and we are repetitively checking if the a of right into the window length, that means the area of the increment the left pointer value from total. After that, we can make the corresponding window as consider one of the window. So answer will be maximum of right and the window length. Finally, we have to increment the right pointer. Finally, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.